12 pass out students, what is the eligible course they should be looking for when they are opting career option as commerce? What is the eligible college they should be looking for? So sir, how is Planet Finance Business School syllabus different from other colleges? Hello everyone, I am Shreya here today with CA Praveen Kumar, Chairman of Planet Finance Business School. Today we're gonna discuss about career options for 12 pass out students. Hello sir.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thanks for your time. So for 12 pass out students, what is the eligible course they should be looking for when they are opting career option as commerce?
Once you pass your 12th class from commerce stream, students will have two options. One, they can choose CA, and two, they can choose BCom and PGDM. But the problem is that they will be confused कि मैं क्या लेना, whether I should go to CA or PGDM. I can say simple logic. The pass percentage for CA is only 2-3%. Let us say if 100 people join CA CPT, at max 3-4 people will clear CA over the period of 7-8 years. And that is how the statistics are there. If they choose BCom, BBA and after that they can go for IIMs or they can join PGDM with us, they can easily able to get the same package like a CA. The CA gets a package of 10 lakhs. Our PGDM people with 1 year experience also get the similar package. Another reason is that whether they should go for CA or PGDM, another logic is the pass percentage is 2% and with BCom and PGDM or even if you take IIM, the pass percentage 100%. So it is more secure to choose BCom, BBA and after that PG rather than opting for CA as career option if you are not passionate about starting up CA practice.
So sir, if a candidate is choosing for BCom or PGDM courses, what is the eligible college they should be looking for?
Which college is best for joining graduation or post graduation? Remember one thing, companies will not see the college name for giving you the offer letter. They see the skills. Companies will search for the CVs based on the skills. If a guy knows derivatives, they will pick the guy from derivatives. So what I am trying to say, whether you are from the fees reimbursement college or whether you are from government college or a private university or a foreign university, company look for the skill and they will take the candidates on board. So if the candidate is satisfying with the skills of the company, they will pay the same package irrespective of your college name. You may be from the zero cost college fees like government college or from a private college with 8 lakhs fees. The package what companies offers will be based on your skill and it remains same. I placed the people with BCom with excellent skills for 10 lakhs, 14 lakhs packages also. And their graduation is only BCom. So companies see the skills. So when the student is opting for whether they should go for X college or Y college, don't worry about it. You need to choose based on the syllabus. What syllabus the college teaches in addition to university syllabus, whether that syllabus is matching with the company requirement. And the final thing, what is the placement record? Like today you are in 2024, you need to see what is the placement record of 2023 pass out people, which companies they got the job, which companies the college bought for campus interviews and what are the job roles they are doing. Don't get trapped by seeing the marketing jobs, sales jobs. Anybody can get the sales job and they will be fired after a month or so if they are not able to meet the targets. So you need to see which MNCs came for a campus interview, what packages they offer, what are the job roles. Then you can decide which college is best for your graduation and post graduation.
That's a very valuable advice for the students out there. So sir, how is Planet Finance Business School syllabus different from other colleges?
I am not starting a degree college today from basics of 10th or intermediate. I am downward integration. I was teaching for CA classes for more than 8,000 people for 8 years period of 2011 to 2019 and I trained and placed more than 5,500 people in MNCs who are from BCom or MBA background. So after placing 5,500 people in MNCs with almost all the brands of global MNCs in Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune and Mumbai, we are starting BCom and BBA this year. So what I am trying to say, we have the best understanding of the job market than any chairman in the city. There is no doubt about that. We speak to HRs, we update our syllabus as per the requirement, we train the candidates to match up with the skills of the HRs and companies, and then we send them to the interviews. That is how we are able to do the best success rate. So same methodology what we have implemented for PGDM, we are implementing for BCom also. What does that means? We will complete our full syllabus of university in the first 2 years. In addition to that, we will complete our investment banking and fund accounting program syllabus also in graduation. Now don't think that can the graduate understand. Trust me, everybody can understand any syllabus, provided the faculties are good to teach. So we complete our full syllabus. Along with that, we train the candidates on taxation, accounting, auditing, and after completion of 2 years, we will be sending them for full year internship program in a CA firm. There are more than 4,000 chartered accountant firms in Hyderabad. So we tied up with many of them and we send our candidates for 1 year full-time internship program. Why we need to send is, they will not be called as a fresher after the completion of the graduation, because they have BCom certificate, along with it they have 1 year experience also, at least 1 year. And when they go to interviews, they have experience. When they go abroad, they have experience. When they go for IIMs, they have experience. So they are not called as freshers. They will be standing out among the crowd when they are out of the college. This is a methodology which we will be implementing for BCom BBA from this year.
That sounds like a promising career.
Yeah, we always look for doing best than anybody else in the country.
So sir, you are building a foundation block for the graduate students and giving them edge over others.
Yes.
That's very wonderful of you, sir. So what is the fee structure of the program?
The fee structure is 3 lakhs. That is each year 1 lakh rupees. The 3 years fees will be 3 lakhs. Generally college charges to 70,000 per year. So generally the college fees will be 2.1 lakhs. And they will not be sending you for the full-time internship program in 3rd year. There will not be any placement assistance also after completion of your graduation. And the syllabus is also not up to the corporate requirement. So considering all these 3 benefits, we are charging higher fees of 1 lakh per annum. But 3 years, the 3 lakhs is the fees. But in the 3rd year, student will be going for more than 12 months full-time internship in CA firm, where they will be getting a stipend of 15,000 to 18,000. Let us assume they got 2 lakh rupees in a year. So the net cost of their graduation will be 1 lakh. I can say it is 30,000 per year. I can say it is a 50% discount than the other college fees. See, it is not about the monetary terms I am explaining here. The reason why I am telling is because by the time they complete their graduation, they will have 1 year experience and with good knowledge to crack the corporate job. I will be sending them for the interviews also after completion of their graduation. It is our responsibility to place you for a package of at least 30,000 to 40,000 per month.
That's very good, sir. So coming to our next question, sir, how can a student can differentiate between private universities and affiliated colleges?
See, as I was telling you, only thing relevant for the companies is the skill. Companies say, I want the guy who knows Excel. They will see the guy who knows Excel. That doesn't matter whether you studied Excel in Amalapuram or Hyderabad or Mumbai. So I placed the guy from Amalapuram and Hyderabad private university guy for the same package in the same company, sitting in the same department. The difference is that Amalapuram guy spent 0 cost for his BCom and private university guy spent 8 lakhs for his BCom. So it will take 2-3 more years for this guy to recover the cost, and this guy will make the money from first month onwards. So private university charges very high fees by showing the swimming pool, clubhouse and gym or playground, cricket ground and all. Definitely those facilities are good for enjoyment, but they are not worth to pay 8 lakh rupees or 10 lakhs rupees for BCom or BBA. Yesterday one girl has come to our campus. She is joining for PGDM this year. She has spent 8 lakh rupees for her BBA. She has travelled 2.5 hours up and 2.5 hours down. 5 hours she spent for travelling from the city to the college, which is 55 to 60 kilometers from the city.
That
and you know what?
Very hectic.
Very hectic. And class timings are 10 to 4.
10 to 4.
10 to 4 with 2 hours break. Matlab hardly the classes were held for 3 hours and she has spent 5 hours up and down travel. and they have not given the books also, and there is no placement also. Out of 94 people, only one guy got the job, that too a normal job in an MNC, and other people are not placed, and there is no campus interviews, and there is no subject also meeting the corporate requirement. So they have to learn from zero again. For your surprise, fees reimbursement college is a 5 minutes walkable distance from her house. Had she joined in the fees reimbursement college, she could have saved 8 lakh rupees and 5 hours of travel per day for 3 years. And it is better instead of investing so much of money. So don't join any college by seeing the big size building or swimming pool and all, because those photos will not get you the job. When you come out of the college, what is there in your mind only matters, and that will only get you the job. Remember this.
Going ahead, a 12 pass out student, how should be they going for counseling?
See, if any 12th pass guy goes to a college, when they see the big infrastructure and all, because he was in 12th class, he was in a small college, where he will be grilled by MCET exams or X or Y exams. So when they go to big college, and he will think, oh, this is a heaven. Don't fall prey for that. The bigger colleges will loot you by showing the bigger premises, but ultimately you will not get the job based on the building size. Okay, you do the following criteria. You go to the college for the counseling along with your cousins who are working in MNC. They will tell whether the syllabus is matching with the company requirement or not, whether the syllabus is matching with the job requirements or not, whether the syllabus has equity markets, derivatives, bonds, fixed income derivatives, or accounting or taxation or advanced Excel or not. Okay, best thing is that take your cousin working in the MNC. They will talk to the placement officer, talk to the chairman, take the numbers of the previous batch people who got placed in the MNCs and talk to them, and then decide. Don't just go blindly to X college or Y college because your friend is joining there. Okay, just because your spend is wasting 8 lakhs, you will not spend 8 lakhs.
So can a student join college based on their ranks performance?
Absolutely no. Because you will be surprised, many of the colleges, the ranks published, they are not from the college. Even the salary is also not from their students. Okay, so one thing you have to understand, don't go by the ranks of any college. If a student get 80 marks, he will be first class. If a guy got 90 marks, he will be ranker. So they might have studied the subject more deeper than the other guys. That doesn't mean that the ranker will get a good job in MNC. So for MNC requirements, the skill set and the knowledge is different than classroom training. So students must understand that just by mugging up a book, you may get rank, but you will not get the job in MNC. So don't go by the ranks and don't go by the colleges.
Coming back to the courses, BBA and BCom, what is the specialization they should be opting for?
So as a CA, I recommend you can go for accounting and taxation or data analytics and finance. But the thing is that many students opt for which are unconventional courses like BBA in hotel management, BBA in hospitality management, BBA in airport management, BBA in luxury brand management, BBA in food safety management. Kuch to aa gaya. See, when you are opting for these fancy names, you may look, you are great, but you need to understand that those courses, whether they have the job market or not. So if you are opting for airport management in BBA, you need to see how many of your seniors passed that course and got the job in which airport. What is their job role? What are they doing? What is the pay package they are getting? What is their working hours? You need to understand all this. Don't just go by fancy names and opt for any BBA just because it is looking fancy names. Be very careful about this.
So what is the difference between BBA and BCom?
See, both are graduations only. Many colleges say BCom is 50,000 fees, BBA is 80,000. Saying BBA is higher valued, absolutely no. When it comes to the placements, company bolega, we are okay with any commerce graduation. You may be BCom or BBA, we will pay same salary, same job role, provided you have the skill what we want. Okay, so don't go by the college fees or any fancy names given by the colleges. Both are absolutely same, only your skill matters when you go to the corporate.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for explaining us in detail.
Thank you, thank you very much.
I'm sure that students joining with you will have a promising career.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Praveen sir, for clarifying our doubts and for your valuable time. I'm sure students joining Planet Finance Business School will have a promising career under Praveen sir's guidance.
Thank you very much.